Good afternoon and welcome back to Chef in My Kitchen episodes. While we are still in the vegetarian week this week, we are making another recipe, a vegetarian recipe. This one is slightly different from what you had before. It is called Shakshuka. Now, Shakshuka is a North African dish, mainly in Algeria and in Tunisia. I used to have this in Tunisia when I was this big, a baby, and I still have it. The only difference now is I'm making it instead of my mother. It is all vegetarian. There is no gluten in it. There is no dairy product in it. It's just a vegetarian, totally vegetarian dish. So we heat up our pan with a dash of olive oil. If we start with the onions, we pan fry the onion gently. We don't want to burn it. With the peppers. Again, with this dish is take your time. Do not rush to fry everything quickly. Just take your time. The slower the better sometimes. A good teaspoon of minced garlic, and we mix it with the rest of the onion and pepper. A good dash of salt, some black pepper. Now it's time to put the fresh chopped tomatoes, gently frying it. We've got paprika, or smoked paprika in this case, and cumin. 1 teaspoon of each is more than enough. I would say a tablespoon or just less than a tablespoon of tomato puree, as you can see. Some fresh parsley, and then we put some water. And then we add, last thing, we'll add the potatoes. Why the last thing? Because it's already been pre-boiled, so we don't want to overcook it with the sauce. We leave it on for a good 10 minutes or so, 10-12 minutes, and then we'll come back to it. Okay, I think now it is, yes, it is ready. We've got some free-range eggs here, and what we do is we put, try not to break the yolk, and then we just simmer it, reduce this down, and simmer it for 5 minutes or so. Longer if you like your egg to be cooked more. We've got some sour bread to eat it with. It looks like almost ready. We've got some capers here, and we've got some artichokes. And there you are. This is the gluten-free, dairy-free shakshuka made by the Tunisian chef. I hope you enjoyed this. I'll see you in another time. Take care.